Okay, to set the time, you got to hold the time set, hour, and minute. So you got to hold the buttons on it. And same with the alarms. Got the alarm, set the minutes forward. Same time you're pushing the buttons. You got to do it both at the same time on the Soundesign little radio. Thank you. Here's a quick test on the little cassette player. Go fast forward. Stop. Play. Stop. And fast forward. Pull to open. Bad little unit. You have some wear marks on the control, and you're missing the bottom battery door, even though it says no battery door needed, but that is no longer listed, and it's missing and it's yellowed. Thank you.